Have you ever felt like you're working hard on your investments but somehow just can't seem to get ahead? Like you keep hitting roadblocks or making decisions that, in hindsight, you wish you'd never made? You're definitely not alone. The truth is, investing is a powerful wealth-building tool, but only if you navigate it wisely. Before we dive in, if you want to skip costly mistakes and learn straightforward, proven strategies to grow your money confidently, I invite you to subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that button and join our global family of learners and doers who are turning their financial futures around every single week. Go ahead, I'll wait while you subscribe. And then we'll start turning your investing journey into a success story. Okay, let's jump in. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not having a solid plan. Imagine going on a road trip without a map or GPS. Sure, you can drive aimlessly, but chances are you'll get lost and waste precious time and fuel. Investing without a clear plan is just like that. It's tempting to chase the next big thing, react to every headline, or follow the crowd blindly. But without a plan that matches your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance, it's easy to make costly detours. Here's an example. I once met a young investor who started buying several hot stocks. After hearing buzz on social media, she dumped her savings into these trendy picks without understanding what these companies did or how stable they were. Within months, some of those stocks dropped dramatically, and she felt discouraged. If she had a plan focused on steady growth through diversified funds, she might have avoided that painful experience. Another common mistake is letting emotions take control. I get it, watching your portfolio drop suddenly can feel like a punch in the gut. Fear and greed often lead to impulsive decisions like panic, selling at a loss, or chasing after hot tips hoping for quick gains. The reality: time in the market beats timing the market. The biggest gains come from staying calm and committed, not from chasing the latest hype. Next, many beginners overlook diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket, or worse, one stock, is risky business. Spreading your investments across asset types, industries, and even countries can protect you when one part of the market struggles. For instance, during a tech sell-off, your healthcare or bond investments can help balance the impact. There are a few more pitfalls to watch out for, and I want to make sure you avoid them. First, ignoring fees and expenses. These might seem small at first, but over time, high fees can eat significantly into your returns. Always check expense ratios on funds, trading commissions, and any hidden costs. I once helped a friend compare mutual funds and found one with an expense ratio twice as high as a similar alternative that cost him thousands over the years, just quietly draining his gains. Another mistake is trying to time the market. It's tempting to wait for the perfect moment to buy or sell, but markets are unpredictable, and even experts get it wrong. Instead, focus on regular, disciplined investing through strategies like dollar-cost averaging, which helps smooth out the highs and lows. Skipping research is something I see a lot, too. It's easy to jump on a tip from a friend or influencer, but investing without understanding what you're buying can lead to surprises. Take time to learn about the company, fund, or asset class before committing your money. Finally, many beginners don't review their portfolio periodically. Life changes, markets change, and your investments need to stay aligned with your goals. Just like a garden needs tending, your portfolio requires regular check-ins. So, what's the takeaway? Start with a clear plan tailored to your goals and risk comfort. Manage emotions by remembering investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Keep an eye on fees and costs. Avoid trying to time the market. Do your homework on investments before buying. Review and adjust your portfolio regularly. Everyone's investment journey is unique, and mistakes are part of learning, but by recognizing these common traps early, you can save yourself time, stress, and money. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share your own investing lessons or questions in the comments below. Your story might be exactly what another beginner needs to hear. And if you haven't yet, this is your friendly reminder. Hit subscribe and become part of a supportive global community that's on the rise together, learning, growing, and investing smart. In our next episode, we'll talk about how to invest for the long term, why patience matters, how compounding works its magic, and how to set yourself up for lasting success. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building your financial confidence, one smart step at a time.